guys, it's your girl Bree Marie. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a special one just because I decided to use my Boxycharm subscription. This is the October box and I used all of the items in the box except for one item, which was an eye mask. And that's just because I didn't know how it was going to wear exactly under my makeup, so I didn't even want to chance it. I absolutely love Boxycharm. I think it's a great concept. I've actually had a subscription for a while now, and I just love the fact that you get to try different products and full-size products at a discounted price, and it ranges from higher makeup brands to skincare to actual tools as well. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm so excited to be using this Boxycharm. I finally got one. I usually have a subscription, but lately, because I was in the middle of moving with my sister and stuff, addresses got mixed up and I haven't had one, I want to say, within the last like 3 months. So I am so stoked to finally get this Boxycharm. In today's video, I'm going to use all of the items in the Boxycharm except for this one, just because I don't know how it's going to work on my eyes. I haven't used it yet and I don't want it to like mess up my concealer or anything like that. So I'm not going to use this. I will definitely keep you guys updated on my experience with it and if it's really worth $93. This is the palette I'm going to be using today by Beauty Bakery. This thing is so cute. I love this. It's called Breakfast in Bed. It has, I want to say, like plums and purples. So it's kind of like a fall palette. This is what she looks like. So pretty. Got 9 shades in here. This retails for $38. Excited. We've got some mauve tones. We've got some purples, plums. Perfect for fall. Oh, it also comes with the Luxie brushes. I totally forgot about these. This is super cute. It comes in this little bag. It comes with, I believe, 5 brushes. Yeah, it comes with 5 brushes, and I like the color of the brushes. They're like a periwinkle. Very cute with little copper topper. Right, and this Luxie brush set is, wow, $40. But it comes with a little bag, so it's cute. It's a little, I don't know, I guess that's kind of average. It's a little pricey, but whatever. Okay guys, so the first shade I'm gonna be going in with is the shade right here, which is a mauve shade. It's called Messy Hair. I'm gonna pick that up on the Luxie 205 Taper Blending Brush. And I'm just gonna work this color into my crease. Excited. I'm going to Vegas this weekend, Sin City. So excited. I'm going with my girlfriends. It's gonna be a girls trip and I haven't been to Vegas in forever, but I'm so excited. I will definitely let you guys know how it goes. Next shade I'm gonna be going in with is this one right here. It's a darker purple. It's called Yawning. I'm just gonna use the same brush I was using before and just laid this one in the actual crease. Halloween's coming up, my birthday's coming up. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure it out. So I'm also going to take Yawning and I'm gonna pack it on my outer corner. I'll use this Luxie medium angled shading brush, 207, to pack that on. Now I'm gonna finally cut the crease. I'm gonna go in with that Dose of Colors concealer and just do a half cut. So I'm just gonna shade half of my eyelid, shave half of my eyelid. I'm just gonna shade half of my eyelid, not shave, what the hell? All right, and this is on a Sigma eye shading brush. Okay, and it's gonna look just like this. Like I said, it's okay if I get a little bit of concealer on the outer edge because I'm gonna go back in with that Yawning shade and deepen up the corners a little bit. Okay guys, the next shade I'm gonna be going in with is Fresh Face right here. And I'm gonna use that same concealer brush I used from Sigma and just stamp where I had laid down the concealer. Okay, now that I laid down that shade, I'm gonna go back in with Yawning and just deepen up the outer edge as well as the crease. And I'm gonna use this smaller blending brush by Luxie. This is the number 237. But yeah, I'm still deciding what I wanna do for my birthday. I know I wanna go somewhere to eat. I already know where I wanna go for that. But to actually do something, I wanted to do a winery. I heard that they were opening some up. But then when I actually looked into it, there's nothing that's open. So I'm just like, damn, that sucks. Because I wouldn't mind doing that. Because I love wine. Who doesn't? Winers are fun too. Yeah, so if you guys have any ideas for my birthday, just let me know. Comment down below. Let me know if you know of anything that's hella fun, you know? Because your girl is out of ideas. I just... so limited with quarantine, man. Sucks. I'm gonna do a wing and put some lashes on, but I'm gonna do that off camera. And yeah, because you guys have seen me do that a million times. So I'm gonna spare you the boredom and just do it. And then when I come back, we'll finish the face. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put some lashes off camera. I used this Lunar Angels lashes in the style Solstice. These ones, there's nothing in here. The ones that have on my eyes. And then I used an OG Maybelline Falsies mascara. And then I used Wet n Wild liquid liner. So for face, I already put on some NYX pore filler. And now I'm going to get into skin. I'm going to mix Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage in F250 and Double Wear Estee Lauder in the shade Bone. Moving on to concealer, like I said, I'm going to be using Dose of Colors today. This is in the shade Medium Tan. I'm just going to go put this on my under eyes. This concealer is a little bit more on the warmer side than I would usually like, but it's okay because they sent it to me. Girl just needs to get a tan, and I'm sure it'll work just fine. To set the first, I'm going to use Coty Airspun. Don't mind it looking jacked up because I just accidentally took the sticker off. But I'm going to take that on an e.l.f. Flawless face brush and just buff it into my skin. Has anybody been doing anything festive? I haven't yet. I saw that there was like a pumpkin patch thing. Not a pumpkin patch, or a jack-o'-lantern thing that you can go through a drive-through. I kind of want to do that. It seems like fun. Like you take your car and then you just drive through and there's a bunch of different jack-o'-lanterns. It's because I follow Demi Lovato and that's what she did. It looked hella fun. I also haven't carved any pumpkins yet. I want to do that as well. Actually, I don't know if I can because I don't have like a patio or anything. So I don't know where I would put it. I don't want it to get all moldy in the house. Ugh. I remember one year my family, we all carved pumpkins and we left it like inside, but like we had a window and we left it like in the window so like people could see it. And when those things are rotting, they're so freaking gross. They get all fuzzy. They smell so bad. I'm like, ugh, I don't want to deal with that. That grosses me out. Like nasty pumpkins all moldy. Ew. Not my thing. Definitely not my cup of tea. But I don't know. I'll talk to my roommate. We'll see. Now I'm just gonna put some powder under my eyes because now I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the first shade that I started with, Messy Hair, and I'm just gonna smoke out the lower lash line. And those brushes don't have something that I can use, so I'm just gonna use my own brush. I'm just gonna use this little double-ended liner brush. But yeah, so maybe it's not such a good idea if I do pumpkin carving because it's nasty and I don't want to pick that thing up and then have to throw it away in the trash. Like I literally gag. Okay, I'm going to pick up this black. This is from the Tarte Clay Play palette because that palette doesn't have a black, but I want to darken up my waterline. Burns so good. Look at that. Wow, does that make such a huge difference compared to this eye? Yes. To complete this eye, I want to do inner corner highlight, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here called French Doors. And I'm just going to pick this up on a pencil brush and put it right in my inner corner. Give it a pop of something. now to bronze up my face, I'm going to use NYX's matte bronzer and just warm up my face. Putting this on my forehead, cheekbones, everywhere. Everywhere that's white. I'm just kidding, I'm not going to do that, but just warm her up. Next for blush, I'm going to go in with e.l.f., this little palette right here. These two. And I'm picking this up on a Morphe M105 brush, and I'm just going to put this on my cheekbones. I'm going to use Anastasia Nicole Guerrero because I just love this palette and I need to get more highlighters. But anyways, I'm going to pick up the shade, I think I'm going to mix Daydream, which is like a peachy one, with the 143. So these two. And I'm going to pick that up on a Morphe E8 brush. We've got a little spritz. You know, in Vegas there's a lot of gambling to do, but I mean, I don't really gamble because every single time I do, I always lose. I think it kind of takes the fun out of it because I don't like losing. Hello, I mean, who likes losing their money? Not me. So if anything, if I'm going to play anything, it's going to be roulette because I feel like that is the game for me. I feel like that's where I can win the most. But the most I bet sometimes is like $20. I wish I was one of those people who are like always winning. Like my grandma. My grandma always wins. I'm like, why can't I have your luck, you know? Little item that I got from the Boxycharm. This is from Ace Beauté. It's Draw It lip liner. It comes with 2 different shades. I'm gonna use the nude one. It comes with a nude shade, this one right here, and then it comes with like a reddish shade. The red one is in shade So Gorgeous. I'll just do a little swatch for you guys, which is really gorgeous actually. And the other nude one is called Be Peachy. Both of these are very creamy. I like the formula on them. So this is what they look like. Very pretty. All right, so I'm gonna pick up the nude one, which was Be Peachy. And I'm just gonna use this as my lippy for today. You can use it as a lip liner anyways, that's what it says. That you can just fill it in, and that's what your girl is gonna do today. And this retails for $16, which isn't bad. You get 2 lip liners and they're like fully sized, so I think that's actually pretty good. Maybe I should do a little overline moment. She's feeling extra cute. Damn, my lips look huge now. Okay, last but not least, we have setting spray, people. I'm gonna be going in with Urban Decay, All Nighter, OG, always been there for me, you know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. When I need her, she's there to do, you know, makeup stuff, obviously. To set and forget. But all right, I'm just gonna spray this now. I think I just got a shower. All the pain. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, let me know if you guys do enjoy the Boxycharm videos, just because I love them, and I was already going to do a video like this every month anyways, but I want to hear from you guys, and please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ow. Oh shoot. I'm letting. She thinks she's cute now that she's got her little bangs down. Oh my god, I need to hurry up and do this intro and outro before the leaf blowers come closer. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. What the fuck, a random person. I'm letting go. That's how I feel about that.